Hello and welcome to this session. Learning Outcome LO2. Understand the classification of violent offenses. Today we will learn how violent offenses are classified in criminal law. This session will explore the principles that guide their classification, including both common law and statutory frameworks. We will examine how factors such as intent and harm influence legal definitions and categorization of violent offenses. Violent offenses involve actions where force or threats cause harm or fear. They are categorized into offenses against the person and public order offenses. Assault, battery, and grievous bodily harm are key examples. Understanding these helps in identifying the severity and intent. Legal definitions are crucial for proper classification. Homicide refers to causing the death of another person. It includes murder and manslaughter. Murder involves intent to kill or cause serious harm. Manslaughter lacks this intent and includes voluntary and involuntary types. Understanding intent is key to differentiating between these offenses. Assault involves causing fear of immediate violence. Battery includes the actual application of force. Common assault is minor, while actual bodily harm involves more serious injury. Grievous bodily harm is the most severe, with intent or recklessness. Legal frameworks define these distinctions clearly. Sexual offenses involve non-consensual acts or coercion. They are governed by specific legislation like the Sexual Offences Act. Public order offenses disrupt societal peace, such as riots. Both categories focus on protecting individual and public safety. Legal provisions ensure accountability. The level of harm and intent are crucial in classifying offenses. Circumstances like self-defense can alter charges. Legal frameworks provide guidelines for classification. Understanding these factors ensures appropriate legal responses. Contextual factors play a significant role in legal outcomes. The Offenses Against the Person Act outlines violent crime classifications. The Criminal Justice Act governs sentencing. Public Order and Sexual Offenses Acts address specific crimes. Each act provides a legal structure for prosecution. Understanding these laws is essential for legal professionals. Assault involves causing fear of unlawful violence. Battery is the application of force. Both are foundational common law offenses. Legal cases illustrate their application. Understanding these offenses is key to grasping criminal law basics. This act covers assault occasioning actual bodily harm. It distinguishes between reckless and intentional harm. Section 18 addresses grievous bodily harm with intent. Legal cases provide examples of its application. This act is central to violent crime prosecution. Murder requires intent to kill or cause serious harm. Manslaughter lacks this intent. Voluntary manslaughter includes mitigating factors. Involuntary manslaughter involves negligence. Legal principles guide these distinctions. Causation links the defendant's actions to the victim's death. The thin skull rule holds defendants accountable regardless of victim vulnerability. Breaking the chain of causation requires unforeseeable third-party acts. Legal cases illustrate these principles. Understanding causation is crucial in homicide cases. Loss of control is a defense reducing murder to manslaughter. It acknowledges human emotional responses. Qualifying triggers include fear of violence. Legal standards assess the reasonableness of actions. This defense balances accountability and human frailty. Diminished responsibility reduces murder to manslaughter. It considers mental health conditions. The defense requires substantial impairment of judgment or control. Legal cases highlight its application. This defense ensures fairness in considering mental health. Loss of control focuses on emotional response. Diminished responsibility addresses mental impairment. Both reduce murder charges. Legal criteria differentiate their application. Understanding these defenses is crucial for legal professionals. Actus reus refers to the physical act of the offense. Mens rea involves the mental state or intent. Both elements are essential for conviction. Legal cases illustrate their application. Understanding these concepts is fundamental in criminal law. Actus reus in murder involves causing death unlawfully. Causation is a key component. Legal and factual causation must be established. Legal cases highlight these principles. Understanding actus reus is essential for murder prosecution. Mens rea involves intent to kill or cause serious harm. Direct intention is a clear aim to cause harm. Oblique intention considers foreseeable outcomes. Legal cases illustrate these nuances. Understanding mens rea is crucial in murder cases. Both actus reus and mens rea must be proven for murder. They must coincide for a conviction. Legal cases demonstrate their application. Understanding their interplay is vital in legal proceedings. This ensures accurate and fair outcomes. Case studies illustrate the principles of actus reus and mens rea. R.V. Gibbons highlights intentional neglect. R.V. Cunningham demonstrates intent to cause harm. Legal rulings provide insights into these elements. Understanding these cases aids in legal analysis. The actus reus and mens rea of murder involve specific legal elements. Unlawful killing and intent are central. Legal cases provide clarity on these components. Understanding these elements is crucial for legal professionals. They ensure justice in criminal proceedings. In conclusion, the study of violent offenses highlights the necessity of understanding both actus reus and mens rea in establishing criminal liability. Legal principles play a central role in ensuring accountability while upholding fairness within the justice system. Furthermore, defenses such as loss of control and diminished responsibility provide essential mitigating considerations that influence legal outcomes. Together, these elements form the foundation for the consistent and just application of criminal law. For any assistance, WhatsApp us at 0748436168 and a team member will be happy to respond. We can't wait to see you at the next session.